Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel ABK Tech TV. In today's video I am going to show you the best way to do a secret chat in WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. There are times that we want to do a secret chat with our partners in WhatsApp but we found it difficult. Today that will change. With this application no matter what no one will be able to understand you secret chat. With the application all your chats will be just like this. Only you and your partner will know what it is. So let's get to it. The name of the application is Decrypto. To get it, you go to the Play Store to install it. As you can see, presently the application is having more than 500,000 downloads with 4.1 ranking. After the installation, you open it. It will then display like this. You click on Encrypt. It will then bring you to this showing you the code list. You choose any one you want. Let me choose the one I want. After you choose it, it will then bring you to this. You type any message. For example, let me type, "Hey, where have you been?" After you finish typing the message, you then click on Encrypt. It will then bring you numbers. You copy all the numbers. You then go to your WhatsApp to paste it in your WhatsApp chat and send it to your partner. For your partner to see the message in text, he or she will need to decrypt the numbers by copying the numbers and then go to the application. Go to Decrypt. Enter the code list. Paste it. Then click on Decrypt. It will then show your partner the text. To do a secret chat in Facebook Messenger, you will need to go to your Messenger. Click on the name of the person you want to do the secret chat with. Click on this. It will then show you options. You click on Go to Secret Conversation. It will bring you to this. First, you will need to set the time you want the chat to disappear after you send it. Now let me send something for you to see. As you can see the time is counting. After it finished counting it will disappear. Mind you, for the chat to disappear in your partner messenger, he or she has to activate the secret conversation too. Guys, if you find this useful, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next one.